Hi guys, and today on our last video I done the slime video, to part 1, and we didn't really get to finish it because it just cut off, so I was in the middle of putting our paint into our slime, and I'm doing mint green.
I'm doing light blue.
So we're just mixing that in, basically. So let's go on to our last video, go on to our channel, and you'll see it. Oh, can you hear that?
I'm not playing with mine yet. I'm going to wait to add all the colour.
Okay. And then we're going to do maybe some ASMR if we get time. Which is basically satisfying stuff with it. If you didn't know, I probably did. But yeah. Imagine if the video goes viral. It won't. It might do. I don't know. More. So I'm just going to show you what mine looks like so far.
And this is what mine looks like so far.
So you've added more colour.
Yep. It's really hard. Colour. I'm going to see if it works with a knife.
I think it might work better with a knife.
Oh yeah. I'm not going to add that much into it.
Yeah. Let's see if it was sprayed. No.
Oopsie, I added all of it. Like not all of the paint, all of it. There was on my knife and there's quite a lot. Mine is nearly done. Is yours nearly done?
I ain't even mixed it in, I've just been dotting colour on it. Alright, I'm going to mix mine in. Oh yeah. Mix it in. We're going to show you what it looks like after.
You should add much more colour.
There might be a part 3 if we run out of storage. There might be. Probably won't.
I don't think so.
But there's a possibility. I'm going to pick mine up. Oh God.
Me too. Oh, mine's really sticky. Anyways.
I think my knees are a little bit more because mine looks like a blue. Don't it? And it's supposed to be a mint green.
Oh, look how much mine's stretching.
Whoa. Your colour's better than mine.
I like your first one.
I like your first one. I like all of them.
Yeah, me too. Your first one definitely turned out a bit better, I think.
And sorry we didn't film all the other ones just because. I definitely will be doing some other slime videos in the past. And maybe I might do a slime smoothie maybe soon. Once we've got enough slime to do it.
Yeah.
And slime's what I'm ready to throw away. Even though you're supposed to do all of your slimes. But slime's my babies. And I can't let it go. I really like this.
This one turned out better than my first one, but the colour
Yeah.
of my first one turned out better.
Yeah. I'm still adding a bit more colour. Colour. Colour, colour, colour is what I need. let's show you guys. I'll take mine out again.
Right, just put your lunch in.
Okay. We've got some lunch. Why have you only got one plate, Mum?
I think just get in the oven.
I don't.
So we didn't have to film another one.
Yeah. So that was pretty good. I might add a tiny bit more.
Alright, got a picnic.
Got a picnic on the floor. I'm happy with mine.
I'm very happy with mine. Shall we make swirls after on that spare plate?
Forget time. Well, we can do it after the video anyway. We'll probably be playing with all of our slimes after the video. And I think they turned out pretty good.
I think this one's made out of maybe,
I think the same things.
yeah, maybe paint, glue and hot water and borax.
Yeah.
Because we actually got all the borax from this to put in there,
Yeah.
but
From the
there was too
delivery.
much. We did use it because that was really sticky, but there was a lot of spare. And there's still a lot of spare.
Yeah.
Oh, mine's like 30.
Flicky slime.
Yeah, but it was like,
What was it?
yeah. Ooh.
I love doing cookies. Wait, it don't really work in this one. This one. Let me flip it over. Wait, let me do my cookies.
I don't really want. Yeah.
I love my cookies.
No one needed to use this.
Yeah.
I did in the first one though. My one.
It's
went
always
over.
good to leave it on side. So I hope you liked the video. Can you rate our slimes out of 10 and just say whose slime is the best? So yes. Hope you enjoyed and mwah! See you later guys. Bye.